Ito na nga guys. Titikman natin ang bagong sandwich ng McDonald's. Sand teriyaki. Sabi niya, buhangin na teriyaki. Sand oh. Say sand teriyaki. Alright. Ooh. Tignan natin guys. Oh my God. It's melting. The sauce.
Yung sweet chili wrap, yung sausawan natin ng lumpia. Sarap?
Magugustuhan mo.
Sarap.
Guys, magugustuhan nyo siya. Ang sarap.
Sarap.
Ano ba? Nagme-melt pa siya.
Kaya magugustuhan din niya yan, no?
So yummy. Nom, nom, nom. Guys, subukan yung order nito guys. Buhangin na teriyaki.
Pwede rin yung kain mo sa kanin, no?
Yeah.
Here we go!
Get the drama, Patty. Okay, get the patty.
I'll use. You want?
No, it's okay.
Get the potty chocolate.
There's more.
Here we go.
Go, 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 go.
So guys, 9 to 10,
Yan.
it's 10.
Milk can. Slowly, Rio.
Ito lang pa bago kong paborito.
Teriyaki.
Ang totoong pangalan niya guys, Chicken Teriyaki Japan.
Japon.
Ay, Japon ba? Japon. Japon. Sarap guys.
Crispy.
Ah, it's crispy. It melts to my mouth. Sarap. Stoplight. Ooh! Chamba.
Next, natikman mo yung isa.
Review guys, McDonald's review. Anong request? Next na titikman natin?
Yung nasa tuktok.